15-minute chicken and pumpkin laksa. First up, heat a large deep saucepan over medium-high heat. Add the laksa paste and ginger. Stir for 1 minute or until aromatic. Add the stock to the saucepan and bring to a simmer. Add the chicken and pumpkin and reduce heat to medium-low. Cook for 10 minutes or until the chicken is cooked through and the pumpkin is tender. While the chicken is cooking, prepare the noodles. Place the noodles in a large heat-proof bowl. Cover with boiling water. Set aside to soak for 5 minutes or until the noodles soften. Drain well. To finish the laksa, stir in the coconut milk, and add the choy sum. It's ready to serve when the choy sum wilts and the mixture is heated through. Add some noodles to the base of each bowl and spoon over the laksa. Finish with more noodles, a sprinkle of bean sprouts, coriander and thinly sliced fresh chilli if you are using it. Delicious chicken laksa in just 15 minutes, faster than takeaway.